Preparation before operation. Before starting the operation, please wear an electrostatic bracelet and electrostatic gloves. And place the electric screwdriver head, electric screwdriver, heat gun, electric soldering iron, tweezers, solder paste, twin wire, copper wire, lamp beads, driver IC and control card, power supply, multimeter, toothpaste glue, and etc. are ready and placed on the workbench. Welding lamp beads for indoor products. Step 1. Turn on the heat gun. Rotate the temperature button. Adjust the temperature to 210 to 220 degrees Celsius, depending on the performance of different equipment. Step 2. Rotate the wind button. The amount of wind is determined by the pixel pitch of the product. Step 3. Pick up the tweezers with your left hand. Clamp the lamp beads. And apply the solder paste to the lamp pins evenly. Step 4. Pick up the heat gun with the right hand. The gun body is vertically 90 degrees. Align the gun's outlet with the pad and heat it until the solder paste on the surface of the pad melts, and the height of the air outlet is 2 cm from the pad. Step 5. Use tweezers to adjust the direction of the lamp beads. Align the lamp pin with the lamp pin on the pad and place it on the pad for heating and welding. Heating time is about 10 seconds. After the welding is completed, align the hot air gun outlet to the lamp beads. The height of the air outlet is 2 cm from the lamp beads, and then heat it for 10 seconds to ensure the welding effect. Wait for the welding point to cool before performing other operations. Step 6. After the welding is completed, connect the control card, ribbon cable and power cable for lighting test.